Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever faced the frustrating reality of thinning hair, you know how quickly it can impact your confidence. What if there was a botanical treatment that could help combat hair loss naturally? Today, we're diving into PHYTO Phytonovathrix Botanical Hair Loss Thinning Treatment, a product that promises to support your hair's strength and density. But does it deliver? Stick around because this review will break down its real-world performance, and I'll be sharing my honest thoughts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our expert beauty insights. PHYTO Phytonovathrix is a botanical-based lotion formulated to address thinning hair by stimulating hair growth and slowing down hair loss. It's packed with ingredients of natural origin, which is a huge plus for those of us who prefer products with cleaner formulations. Free of fragrances, parabens, silicones, phthalates, and mineral oils, it's designed for individuals looking for a gentle yet effective solution for thinning hair. In addition to the product's natural ingredients, it also claims to help reinforce the hair's resistance to stress, creating the ideal environment for healthier hair growth. So how did this product perform in real-world use? I applied the treatment daily, as recommended, directly onto my scalp after washing my hair. It comes in a lightweight lotion form, which absorbed into the scalp easily without leaving any greasy residue. Always a win when it comes to scalp treatments. I did not experience any irritation or discomfort, which is a good sign, especially when using a product with natural ingredients. Over the course of the review, I noted that my hair felt stronger and appeared fuller, although it's important to mention that visible growth can take several weeks to manifest fully. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, PHYTO Phytonovathrix excels in its formulation, gentle yet potent with all natural ingredients. It's fragrance-free and free of many common irritants, which makes it ideal for sensitive scalps. I also love how light the texture is. It never feels heavy or sticky. In terms of performance, I did notice my hair felt thicker over time, though, as with any hair loss treatment, it's not an overnight miracle. On the flip side, the product does come with a higher price tag compared to other treatments on the market. While I do believe you're paying for the quality and natural ingredients, it may not be the best option if you're on a tighter budget. The lotion form can also be a little tricky to apply directly to the scalp, and if you're in a hurry, it requires a bit more time and attention to massage in properly. Additionally, while it's great that the product uses natural ingredients, some users may not see immediate results, and patience is key. Is it worth the price? Considering the quality of the ingredients and the positive effects on hair strength, I think it is a good investment for anyone struggling with thinning hair. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, there are other scalp treatments and growth serums on the market, though many may contain harsher chemicals or fewer natural ingredients. When it comes to build quality and longevity, PHYTO's packaging is simple yet functional. The bottle is easy to use and dispenses just the right amount of product. And with regular use, one bottle should last a good amount of time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments below. Now, in terms of customer support, I've had no direct interactions with PHYTO's team, but based on the brand's reputation, they are known for being responsive and helpful when it comes to inquiries or issues. That's always a reassuring sign when buying into a skincare or hair care brand. For those interested in alternative products, there are a few budget-friendly hair growth treatments out there, like minoxidil-based solutions. While they don't always match PHYTO's natural formulation, they've been clinically proven to help with hair regrowth. To wrap it up, PHYTO Phytonovathrix Botanical Hair Loss Thinning Treatment is a great option for anyone seeking a gentle, natural solution for thinning hair. While the price might be higher, the quality of the ingredients and the gradual improvements in hair strength and fullness make it a worthwhile consideration. If you're looking for a more chemical-free approach to hair loss, this is definitely a product worth exploring. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.